Okay, here it is. A little bit windy all of a sudden, but here in Cholo's Tiny Truck Chop Shop with protesting and riots and everything going on not too far from home here in Columbus, Ohio. I'm going to give a speed test on my drag car because I believe I got everything all figured out. Last night was running really well, and I'm at the end of my runway, so I'm gonna warm up the tires, give a quick little just run down to the end of the way here, and then give it the actual run. I wanted to have the camera at the end of my runway here, so here we go. And just walking out here, I'm at 5 miles an hour. Let's see here. Tires all nice and warm. Make sure I got my throttle, finger, trigger, everything right. Alright, I think I got this. Let's see here, you guys. If I got this eyeballed about right, I should be right there about to start. Let me back up a little bit. Right about in the realm of 132 feet from there to about, I think it was about here, if I'm not mistaken. Right here is about 132 feet. I measured one of these stalls, or these parking stalls, and kind of stepped it off, counted, and so it's a rough general estimate. But here we go, let's see. Ooh, she got a little squirrely on me, sideways. Not as straight as I want it to be, but hey. That was 48 miles an hour. Let's see what we can do again. See if I can get her a little straighter with where I want to be here. And I think we're somewhere in there. It's pretty close. Look at my tripod. Look at the tripod. There's the car. I mean, you can't plan this shit, you guys. And with the GoPro, you guys saw it here first. Oh, dear gravy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that right there is 52 miles an hour. 52. If I could have kept it straight, or if the camera wasn't there, or the finish line was a lot wider, yeah, that'd have been some smooth shit. Oh, Cholo's Tiny Truck Chop Shop. I appreciate you guys standing in here and checking this one out. See you on the next one.